Hey guys, it's Tony. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? Did I really just wake up to all this fucking bullshit of Robinhood taking AMC off the fucking broker? There was actually an email that I'm gonna post up from Bank of America that says if you guys are that they're gonna be removing, or if they find you buying stock on GameStop or AMC, that they're gonna remove it or some shit like that. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? How the fuck is this legal? How the fuck are they just able to just this is no I hope everybody knows right now. I hope this video goes viral as fucking fuck, because I hope you guys know that this is a rigged fucking system and big money is the only money that gets to make money in the fucking stock market. This is how you know 100% that the stock market is fucking rigged for the big people, and little people like us, retailers like us, can't make any fucking money, because once we start making fucking money, all the big money gets scared and bullshit starts to happen like this, where they remove your fucking tickers, and then that way you can make any fucking money. Are you kidding me, dude? I lost out today on like 20k fucking profit on AMC. I'm sure a lot of you guys, I'm sure a lot of other people fucking lost a bunch of money too. This is illegal, and I'm sure we can fucking sue the shit out of fucking Robinhood for doing something stupid like this. GameStop is removed from Robinhood. AMC is removed from Robinhood. BlackBerry, Nokia, as far as I know, those are the ones that are removed from Robinhood. This is fucking bullshit, dude. I am so fucking pissed.